Hello everyone, it's the one and only Misha X here with the wig review. We'll be reviewing Sensational's Instant Up Down Synthetic Wig, and the one that we're reviewing is UD6. The color is T2 with the copper. It's giving me Jessica Rabbit vibes, so yeah. This is the back. It's actually pretty full. So if you're interested in the review and also the unpackaging, stay tuned. To do this style, you're going to need the half wig that came in the pack, the ponytail, and a pack of bobby pins. And the way I have my real hair is I just have it up. So you'll just want to like put your real hair up into like a top knot and then like just braid the back. Doesn't matter how you braid it, you can plait it, do whatever, because we're literally just like sticking, well, I'm putting a stocking cap on the back, that's optional. You can use a net, do whatever. Alright, so we're taking the combs that's in the top of the ponytail, and we're just putting it in, the first comb at the top, and sticking that in to your real hair. I'll take the second comb and I pop that in also just to like reinforce the tightness before I add any bobby pins in. And the ponytail that around it, the ponytail does also have like a drawstring strap, so when you pull the piece through, it is stretchy. Okay, so as y'all can see, the ponytail portion is on. So if you wanted to wear it just as a ponytail, I mean, it's not too bad, like as far as thickness is concerned. For me personally, I would want a little bit more length though, because I like my ponytails long and dramatic. Alright, so now we are moving on to step 2, and that is putting on the half wig portion of this. And again, this has 2 clips at the top, 2 at the bottom, and then it also has a drawstring feature. Without the drawstring, it's still pretty secure. I'm about to pop the drawstring in though. Let's see. Get this super snug, okay? It does have a little bit of volume. I'm surprised, I wasn't expecting that. So yeah, overall the construct of the cap, pretty satisfied with that. I was a little worried about the fact that it came in 2 separate pieces. I wasn't sure if the half wig portion would be secure, but I was super excited to see that it had not only 4 combs but also a drawstring portion. So that's really exciting. And if you're like me, I sew a lot of my half wigs on. So you could also sew the perimeter of the half wig on as well if you're like going on vacation or need like a super quick style, like going to an amusement park or something along those lines. It's something really cute and quick if you're going somewhere last minute. I don't recommend it just for like an everyday type of style, just because of the fact of the matter is it's long, and I don't recommend long synthetic wigs for everyday wear just because I feel like they tangle. Now if you throw some fabric softener, dilute it with some water, yeah, you're good to go. Refresh it a little bit, but why even get into all that when you can just do something like this quick to be cute, and then you know you have your human hair wig or your natural wig for like your everyday occasion. But overall, I'm like super satisfied with the thickness and the fullness. Based on the pictures of the other units, I was a little concerned and nervous about the thickness. I wasn't sure if I was going to be satisfied with that, but love it, love it. It doesn't give me synthetic cheap vibes either. The color is really great and distributed. It doesn't look like that plastic Barbie feel either, so Overall, definitely satisfied. I love the elastic stretchy part around the ponytail piece. Awesome job on that. But overall, I definitely give this 5 stars out of 5. Super satisfied, and I am going to be ordering more. I want to try like all of them, especially in different colors, because yes. But comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.